All right, let's talk about two-column notes when it comes to reading fiction. So two-column notes will always look the same. You see the "it says" column on the left, that's where your evidence goes, words from the text. And then the "I say" column on the right. That's your words, your own thoughts, your interpretation or analysis of the text, your analysis of your evidence that had been on the left side. So two-column notes works pretty similar in both nonfiction and fiction, but there are a couple differences. In nonfiction, you look for topic and claim, but in fiction, you look for theme. What's the author's universal message, their big idea, the lesson we should learn? To do that, we pay attention to the 3 C's. Let me show you what I mean. The 3 C's consists of characterization, that's the first C, conflict and resolution. What are the big problems and how are they addressed? And change. Any big change that occurs in the story is probably important. If you see ideas in the story come up that fits one of these ideas, characterization, how a person is described, problems and solutions, conflict resolution, or any big change, those are significant ideas for the 3 C's, and that should probably be something you make a note of and put in your 2 columns. Let's see how it looks. First, we need to pay attention to what exactly is characterization. When we talk about characterization, we talk about slate. SLATE. Stands for speech. What's the character saying? Looks. How do they look? Actions. What actions do they take? Thoughts. What are they thinking? Or the effects, E, that they have on others. These are traits that help you describe a personality, or in other words, characterization. Here is maybe how a note in your 2 columns would look. This is one of the 3 C's that I found, and it's characterization. I'll code it with the phrase slate, SLATE, and you'll see I capitalize the letters that I think show the idea from my note. So my note is characterizing the community here as really strict, and the citizens are obeying them. I capitalize the A and the E because it's mostly the actions, A, and the effects on people, E, that guide this idea. Evidence on the left. So 2-column notes, pretty similar, fiction to nonfiction, but in fiction, you want to pay attention to the 3 C's, characterization, conflict and resolution, and change. Evidence on the left, it says, your own words, your ideas on the right, I say.